Hi, I'm Mike Diskin, Managing Director of HNC Roll Grinders. I would like to introduce the RG600, currently the largest model in the RG series of rubber roll grinders. The RG series of rubber roll grinders features a mobile pendant for ease of operation. The RG600 is designed to grind rubber rolls of up to 600 mm in diameter and up to 5 meters in length. The RG600 features a large precision headstock assembly driven by a powerful 5 kW motor via a reduction gearbox. The machine is fitted with a substantial 3-jaw chuck, which is 12 inches or 315 mm in diameter. Owing to the size and weight of the tailstock, the unit is electrically powered and features automatic hydraulic clamping complete with hydraulic quill. The bed is a single-piece fabrication containing internal reinforcing ribs. This is then stress-relieved to ensure a fully stable and rigid platform. The bed is fitted with linear guideways, giving a low-friction traverse along the full length of the bed. The machine incorporates all the advanced features of the RG300, giving you the ability to produce fast and accurate rolls up to 5 meters in length and 600 mm in diameter. A user-centered design concept has been used to develop a simplified, user-friendly graphical interface that enables fast and easy setup. This gives a simple visual display that's easy to understand and program. Available roll profiles are parallel, camber, taper, step taper, multi-camber, chamfer, linear grooving. Manual operation is simple by using the touchscreen controls and built-in electronic hand wheel. The manual operation features are continuous jog function with infinitely variable feed rates, incremental jog with 4 selectable increments, hand wheel control with 3 selectable increments. Other features include the start, stop of the workhead and grinding spindles, programmable speed and speed override. With the addition of an optional barcode reader, you can have instant and remote programming. The operator is able to program single or multiple machines in a matter of seconds. In common with all the RG series of rubber roll grinders, the machine features a fully enclosed and interlocked guarding system. The RG600 is designed to fill the gap between the RG300 and the larger RGD duplex grinding and grooving machine. If you require a fast and accurate large roll grinder, the RG600 is the one for you. Contact us now. Thank you for watching.